The state has now surpassed 350,000 confirmed coronavirus cases, with more than 1,800 new infections reported today. For the first time since November, the positivity rate is below 6%. Hospitalizations continue to decline. Because of the coming snowstorm, Anne Arundel County is canceling COVID-19 vaccinations and testing scheduled for Monday. If you had an appointment, you will be notified to reschedule.
Also today, Maryland launched a campaign to convince people that the vaccines are safe. WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at Camden Yards, where Governor Hogan spoke this morning with how they are working to build trust. Mike.
Denise, Vic, this campaign uses people who are trusted in the community to debunk misinformation. There's also new hope tonight for quick approval of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine candidate, which is made right here in Baltimore City.
We're in this together.
UMBC's president and his wife were some of the first to get vaccinated during trials for the Moderna vaccine, and efforts to build trust are now at the heart of Maryland's vaccination plan.
We're doing this not just for ourselves. Anybody who takes that vaccine, we're doing it for everybody around us.
This is the best of science.
Maryland launched their new GoVax campaign aimed at convincing people the vaccines are safe.
Proteja su familia.
And led by Maryland National Guard Brigadier General Janine Burkett.
I have received the vaccine, and I can tell you that it was no different than receiving the flu shot.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The state has faced criticism for a slow rollout, but Friday reported another 22,868 first doses administered. More than 7% of people in the Baltimore area have received at least one shot.
We're setting up all the infrastructure. We don't have enough vaccines.
The governor says it was even tough at first to convince people working in the medical field to get the vaccine.
We provided enough to do 100% of them. And, the initial rollout was like 30% of them.
What's going to be the most important thing, as you've heard time and time again, is getting the more vaccines so that we can get it out.
The nation faces a crisis with more contagious strains spreading across the country. But there's also encouraging news, with Maryland's positivity rate now under 6%, and the new single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine candidate being produced in Baltimore, just waiting to get the green light from federal regulators.
By the end of February, they will start shipping, and they're already produced.
Now, while appointments are hard to come by, the state has continued to expand the number of people eligible to get the shots. They include right now anyone age 65 and older. Reporting live at Camden Yards, Mike Halgren, WJZ.